Hello everyone, my name is Mitch and back for another video. So, gusto ko mag-react sa video na to kasi hindi ko pa to nakikita, as in like what I've said before, I was gone. Like I don't know what happened. Well, it's not that I don't know what happened, but hindi ako nakikinig masyado ng music the past few years, and OPM as well. I've explained that on my previous videos. Pero ayun na nga, I discovered this song on TikTok kasi trending siya kay James Reid, yung Randomatic. So that's what we're gonna listen to today. So I found I have 3 videos that I wanna look at. Ito yung official music video. The second one is, I think, the live at the Cozy Cove. And then also, there's this lyric video that I saw that looks like, alam mo yun, parang mga snaps nila ni Nadine. And I'm a Jadine fan. When I was pregnant way back 2015, sobrang pinapanood ko talaga like daily. Noong naka-maternity leave ako. On the Wings of Love. Tama ba? Oo, On the Wings of Love. Just kaday. So anyway, ayan. So I want to watch this, and if you guys want a throwback or trip back to the Jadine era, let's go watch. All right, let's play this video. Oh my God, sobrang bata pa niya dito. Oh my God, my Jadine heart. Charot. Sobrang gusto ko talaga sila together. Oh my God, hindi pa rin ako makamove on. But they have their own lives right now. Still, I'm hung up on them. May pag-asa nga ba?
I kiss you right on the lips, baby. Write little love notes on a post-it, and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Oh, what do, yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong tayo wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast TV, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay tayo wala lang.
Grabe, kitang-kita mo talaga sa eyes nila. Uy, ang ganda ni Nadine dito sa pagka-post ko ng video. Very dreamy. Anyway, kitang-kita mo talaga sa mga eyes nila, no, na they're in love. Like, I'm so kilig. Bakit? Bakit kasi?
I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. Oh, I love you.
Pag ito yung same ng lyric video na nakita ko, so hindi ko na siya papanoorin since panood na natin siya. But then, yeah. Well, we'll see.
Pili kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Oh, yeah. Kahit di ganong kawangis, ika'y guguhit ko.
Kinain niya yung snow. Bakit?
I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita.
Alam mo, dito ko nagustuhan siguro dahil sila Jadine. Kasi sobrang innocent nung love pa nila nung una. Like, they're really in love with each other. Ay.
Saan man tayo mapunta, yung
they're so
Maraming
cute.
paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. No, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan tayo magpunta? Yung tipong kahit wala
Ito na yung
o kaya libre ka ng sine. Kahit ikot tripay sige, lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to bigla na
ay,
lamang.
anong ginawa ko? Sorry guys. Na ano ko. Napindot ko siya. Sorry na. Anyways, this video is perfect in a way that it's when you're looking back na nangyari yung J-Teen and now that they're parang memories. But how do I say it by not saying it like really, really bad? I think if there was a story like a storyline instead of just snap, baka nag-trend siya. Because Filipinos are like sucker for kwento, story, alam mo yun, yung mga ganon, yung medyo malalim. But I'm not saying this is bad. It's cute. And then plus bonus because these are memories, like good memories of those two people who were deeply in love.
Nahin kita. Saan tayo magpunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya libre ka ng sine. Kahit ikot tripay sige, lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say.
Bata pa nila
Haharanahin kita. Saan tayo magpunta? Yung tipong kahit wala
They look so happy.
o kaya iaalay ang kantang ko na sinulat para sa'yo. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you.
Hey guys, what's up? It's James Reed. I hope you like my video. For more, just subscribe to Viva Music Group 1.
Haharanahin kita. Saan tayo magpunta? Yung tipong kahit wala
Alright, so anyways. Ayun na nga. Check natin yung Randomatic. I mean, Randomatic naman talaga siya. Sorry guys. Meron palang ad. Itong live performance niya, I think ito yung nagpa-trend sa kanya ngayon because, a lot of people discovered Sining, ang tawag dito, Sining by Dionella, that they like that live performance and baka siguro isa tong kay James Reid as one of the, like, you might wanna watch or next sa playlist or whatever. Maybe a lot of people discovered it. That's why it's trending right now. But we'll see. It may be the performance itself. That's why. Pero yun lang yung way na nakikita ko kung bakit siya nag-trending ngayon. And a lot of people are using it as a background music for TikToks and all that. But yeah, yun lang yung way na ano ko. Kasi I just, when I watched Sining, parang I saw this sa mga suggested videos na next when I watched the live at Cozy Cove na Sining. But I didn't watch it because I don't know the song and I don't know if it's new nga or if I'm gonna film it. But I remembered when I saw this TikTok video na sa feed ko, na-remember ko siya na, oh, ito pala yung nakikita ko dun sa you might also like. So, why not make a video since it's trending right now? But then, yeah, let's see. So here is the live at Cozy Cove version. Oops, what is happening to my audio? Ooh, sorry about that. Let's go. Since it's live, let's make it a little bit louder. Ooh. I know why this is trending so much. It's a vibe. It's a little bit different than how it sounded on the music video. Wait lang, I wanna see if there's a caption kasi minsan pag pinanounce ano eh. Meron ba? Ayun. Minsan pag pinanounce hindi ko masyado. I was hoping it's lyrics. Subtitles. Near. Near. There's none.
I'll wrap my arms on your hands, baby. More than naasahan, I'll kiss you right on the lips, baby. Yeah, write little love notes on a post-it, and I post it on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front yard. Ooh, ooh, oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang laging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita, saan tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala na. Kaya biglag may breakfast.
Did he say kahit wala na? Did he say kahit wala na? So this is really for Jadine, for Nadine. Wherever this song goes, it's the lady or whoever he's referring to is not gonna change. It's gonna be Nadine. Oh my god. What did he say?
Kaya biglag may breakfast, baby, just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala na. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. I love you.
Didn't he say that he'll forever love Nadine? Oh my god.
Yeah.
This is a vibe.
Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Oh yeah. Kahit ikaw pong tawagis, ikaw iguguhit ko. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
James's voice is really parang ano, alam mo yung anong tawag doon? Very, how do I say it? Parang siyang international quality. And that's what I like about the old songs of James Reid. Parang siyang I mean, not the live ones, but yung mga lumabas nila na videos ni Nadine. And even Nadine's visual album, I forgot what the title is. I watched that. It's so good as well. But yeah.
Ooh, I'd probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like, and baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang laging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita, saan tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala lang.
I can't tell if he said wala lang or wala na. Could you guys help me?
kaya ba'y on the spot today? And this time I won't be late. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. Oh, I just wanna do simple random things to say.
Wait, I have to search the lyrics of this one. Like, I can't. Nababother ako dun sa ano. Randomantic lyrics. Okay, what does the chorus say? Haharanahin kita san man tayo magpunta. Yung tipong kahit wala lang. See, the lyrics is wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast in bed just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. Or wala na. Kahit wala na. I just want to do simple things to say I love you kahit wala na. Or maybe he remembered. I'm overthinking. Kasi parang, if he said, iba kasi na yung meaning pag sinabi niyang wala na. Kasi, it's pointing towards her pa din. Like, paasa. Mga JD na asang-asa eh, no?
I love you. Love you. I love you, baby.
Very good. I can see why this is like I can see why this went trending. It's because it's got Nadine imprint all over the song, and you know how Filipinos are, or even girls, we're sucker for like sad story, heartbreaking, or broken-hearted situations. Like we're just really suckers for that. But yeah, and then also yun na nga, the performance itself is a vibe. I can see why a lot of people are using it as a background for their music. I'm sorry, a background for their videos. And I think it's trending right now from what I see on TikTok. So medyo ang galing din ng mga ano no, ng mga nagta-trend ngayon. Like not all the ones that are trending are like new songs. Like remember when Tala trended? It's an old song, so you really will never know. But then yeah, going to James Reid, I was so hung up with kahit wala na versus wala lang. Like nag-overthink talaga ako. Anyway, let's see what the next one is. I'm not sure if the next one is ang tawag dito. Ay, ano ba yan? Nakakalorky. Sorry na. I don't know if the lyric video that I saw is asan na ba yun? Lyric video. Oh, where are ya? Lyric video. Asan na yun? Kanina na dramatic. Randomatic. I saw na that kanina. I added it eh. Sorry na. Is this it? The lyric video? Official lyric video? Official lyric visualizer. I don't know what the difference is. Or is it different? Oh.
Paano kung bigla na lamang I wrap my arms on your hips, baby, yeah.
Is this from the
Di
ano?
mo inaasahan I kiss you right on the lips, baby,
Is this from
yeah. Write little love
the
notes
Wings
on a
of Love?
posted and I posted on your front door. Show up in suit and tie with the
collection of
brooch and
different
with the roses on your front yard. Oh, boy. Yeah. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya biglang may breakfast TV just to keep you interested. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. Oh,
So, On the Wings of Love yung iba.
Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Oh, yeah. Kahit di ganong kawangis, ika'y guguhit ko. I'll probably take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya may honest pa din. And this time I won't be late. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. It's so romantic, baby, I'ma let you have it. Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. No, babe, haharanahin kita. Saan tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya libre ka ng
You can't believe they're not together anymore. They're all these cute videos.
I just wanna do simple random things to say. Haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta? Yung tipong kahit wala lang. O kaya iaalay ang kantang ko na sinulat para sa'yo. Lahat ay dahil wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say. I love you. Random ways to say
Nabuhay na naman ng mga Jardine.
Haharanahin kita. Saan man tayo mapunta?
Nabuhay na naman yung mga Jardine. So, anyways. Okay yung video. Anyway, that was a that was a blast from the past. Very, very good vibes yung pag-watch nung Jadine throwback, especially for those who are fan of Jadine. And hindi maka-move on katulad ko. Like, I know they have their own lives and I'm pretty sure both of them are happy with their own partners, but you know, ando pa rin yung what if, sila pa rin yung ngayon. Wala lang. Tsaka, I love Nadine so much. I think she's the only girl for him, but you know, we can't say that it's their we can't say that to them because it's their own lives. We can't make pilit, pero it's not the perfect world, so we have to accept things like that. But I can see why a lot of people are using the song itself, and also ayun na nga, kaya siya nagte-trending. It's because of that live at Cozy Cove vibe, and the song is good. It's underrated. I don't know why it didn't trend before, but like what I've said earlier, it it has a different meaning now that they've broken up. So, and you know, wala lang. Anyways, ayun lang. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you again on my next video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also comment on my videos. Maraming salamat. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!